The next product I'd launch is my face sponge. So I'm obsessed with flawless skin, and I thought to create a product to make sure that every time they use this product, it was gonna come out the exact same. So my little face sponge is in a little tin container to make sure it's like dirt-free and dust-free. And then we grab it out and we've got the little logo, and then we've got the side cut as well. I love side cut sponges because I feel like it's just really good to apply the foundation on the flat side, and then when you place it on, it's just evenly and applies it flawlessly. So just a little bit about the sponge. So how to use a sponge. So first of all, you get it out of the case. Then firstly, you wet it. So making sure you're popping in water and just doing some massage motions just to get the water inside the sponge for about 30 seconds. It doesn't matter whether it's hot water or cold water. And then when we pop it out, making sure we're squeezing it so there's no excess water. The reason why we do this is because we don't want the foundation to be soaking in excess foundation. And I feel like the water as well kind of makes it more of a sheer finish. So when you apply the first layer, it's quite light, and then you can gradually build up. Then what you do after the use, you can just pop it back in your container, and then you can go for your next time and use it again. One of the next products I released was my body sponge. So I wanted to create a product that girls could use because I know that I like my chest very glowy, and so I wanted a sponge that was quite large but also could be used for the face as well. So I've got my flat sponge, so it's got like a flat side on the end and it's like a peach shape. So I use this just for chest application and my neck. So as girls, we all go through winter and summer and we quite change color all the time. So I wanted to create a product that we could use on the chest. And I could also put a like foundation, glitter, fake tan, and then we can pop it on the chest like dabbing motions. And we can also bring it on the neck, and if anything, you can also use it on the face. So I've got like the little acrylic container and the cute little logo as well, and then you can pop that away for your second use. So one of the other products that I released was my little cute little mini sponge. You can get this in like a 6-pack, or you can get this in the value pack. So this is a little mini side cut sponge, perfect for the delicate areas of under the eyes and on top of the eyes. So I use this usually to prime my eyelids. So depending on your makeup routine, I like to do my eyes first. So I pop the foundation on and then I use this for the area. Also, if you're a makeup artist, it's also really, really good to have these mini sponges, because when you're applying it on your client's face, you don't want this big sponge coming at their eyes. So this is such a little product that they're not going to feel afraid if you come to them with this. So it's just like a cute little under eye dabbing area, and also the flat end ensures the flawlessness of the foundation as well.